guys, Johnny with Blades Grass Lawn Care. I'm heading over to an estimate. It's currently 80 degrees and people are calling us. New customers. We just picked up 4 brand new properties, snowbirds, people that only come down here during the winter time. But we are extremely excited for this new year coming up. We are tightening up our route, extremely tight, making it nice and tight, compacted, minimizing that windshield time. And windshield time is that time where you spend driving around. So I want to just kind of show you on this specific property. I mean, there's a lot of things that we look for, but on this specific property, I want to show you what I look for and what I do and how I do it. So yeah, you guys can basically have a guidance on what to do when people start to call you in your location. All right, so let's see if I can film anything, guys. Enjoy. Okay guys, I'm doing a quick estimate, but I want to show you this is what you need to document when you first come to a property to do an estimate. Okay, this way is all over there. All of that is ripped. Okay, let's go in the back. You need to pay close attention to the siding. See that? That's all chewed up. Make sure the window is not cracked. Make sure the siding is good. See, here's another example. See that? Look in the back. See that? And then you walk around and ensure that there's no damage to the house. You have an ant mount and a big dog in the back. Alright? Another thing I do is I measure the gate. See if I can do it one hand here. Sorry about that. Okay, 39.5, close to 40 inches. So I know for a fact that my Vantage 36 will fit through there. All right, let's go in the front. Okay. Now this is a rental, so we're gonna put plaster over that.
Oh, there we go.
And let's check the other side. And this is a property line. And you want to walk it and ensure that we don't have any damage. Now pay close attention to this also, guys. See that? That's a cable. Oops, sorry about that. there's a cable that goes all the way across. And you look in the back, there's more cable coming through right there. And something that I do, guys, is I would spray here with Roundup, and I will spray right here, but I will let the customer know, because you don't want to string trim around the property like this, because what happens is you mess around and you hit that, the next thing you know, you're going to be buying them or having it repaired. Same thing with this. Once we come in here, if we do get the property, we'll take this and tuck it under. See that? Tuck it under. And you got to make sure you let your crew know, because the last thing you want to do is to hit that. Another thing that we do, guys, is there's usually, or here in the south, there's usually a grounding rod that sticks up around here. I don't know, for some reason they do it, but I don't feel it. I don't see it. Yep. All right, good. House look good. Everything looks good. We always leave a card on the door, letting the customers know that we came by. Alright guys, so that's basically what I look for, just in this specific property. What I usually do is I walk the premises, because you want to ensure that you are walking a complete yard, and you don't have any holes, you don't have any pipes sticking out, you don't have any grounding rods sticking out, you don't have any roots sticking out, or whatever the case might be, because you don't want to send your crew, or you don't want to show up or have the grass start to grow and you don't know exactly what is where. Anything that you find, you need to annotate it and take pictures and inform the customer prior to going to the first time and mowing the yard. We're gonna get this property because they know how much we charge for a property like this. And again, don't ask me how much am I charging for this property, because it all depends on your location. It depends on your type of grass. It depends on what your surroundings will actually pay for this type of services. Okay. She wanted the rock sprayed, and then we're gonna just put pine straw on top of it. This way, when it comes time for her to leave, she can just take the pine straw off, blow it off, and leave it back. Again, this is a rental property. Also, a reminder, guys, small things that you need to look at when you're doing a walkthrough. Let me show you something real quick. Okay, you see they have trees. That's a crepe myrtle, and that right there is a deciduous tree. I'm not sure exactly what it is, but then there's another crepe myrtle. So during the fall, you're gonna have small little leaves and stuff like that. So that's something to consider. Another thing is, you also have to be aware that, you have people looking out their windows, and they're looking at you. You have a leather truck. I have my vest. I don't have my shirt, but I have my hat. And I always leave a card at their door to let them know that I was physically here. I personally go to every property that we quote on. I'm not the type of guy that'll go online and see, look at it from Google Maps or whatever the case might be. I like to physically look at the property, because sometimes, if you think about it, those pictures are taken different times of the year. Okay. All right, guys, just wanted to show you, because I had this opportunity, and spring is coming up pretty soon. And the last thing I want you guys to do is to go to these properties and start shooting out a number without even visiting the property, walking the property, or taking pictures. Okay, make sure you take pictures of what you're looking at. All right, guys, leave in the comments below, let me know what else do you guys do. And again, there's other things that we do, but for this specific location, this is what I'm doing. Okay, again, guys, have a great one, stay motivated, pop smoke, peace.